What's up YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to download and install Visual Studio Code for Windows 10. This should work for Windows 8, 10, and 11, and I'm using my virtual machine right now, so hopefully the graphics aren't straight garbage. But what you're going to want to do, fire up a browser of your choice, type in download Visual Studio Code, and then click on this link here to code.visualstudio.com, download. And this will bring up the download page. So I'm going to do this for Windows, and then this should start the download. I'm going to save it into the downloads folder, and then you'll see the download start. I'll go ahead and cut the video so you don't have to watch this download. Alright, so once the download is done, you should check your File Explorer in the downloads folder, or whatever folder you saved it to. You should see the user setup. So I'll just double click that to run the exe. We'll accept this agreement here. Sure, that should be fine. I'm going to create a desktop icon. Yeah, this should be fine. Open with code in your quick action, like if you right click a file. Sure, install, and then let that puppy run for a little bit. It looks like it's actually going pretty quick here, so yeah, not too bad. Just like a, 30-second install, or I guess it probably depends on your system, but I'm also on a virtual machine, so your system's probably faster. So yeah, let's go ahead and launch Visual Studio Code, just to take a little look here. And so we have Visual Studio Code here, and that all looks good. So up next I'll be talking about what extensions to install. Alright, so the extensions, the extensions I recommend, there isn't too many. There's a ton of extensions on Visual Studio Code, and like some of these are insane. Like they'll literally write code for you. But I like to do the Python. Jupyter, you can do that one. I'm gonna pass right now. Pylance is a good one too. Oh, it looks like it's actually doing the Jupyter ones too. That probably just came with the Python. So that's cool. And then Prettier's a pretty popular one. This one, it'll format your code and make it like pretty easy to read. I've used it in the past and liked it, but I don't know, I'm also kind of old school and just like things how I'm used to them. So I'm gonna try to do, yes, so the SQLite viewer is another good one. This one makes it so like the tables, if you do SQLite tables, you can just double click the .db file and just view it. So that's pretty handy. And then another one that I recommend is GitHub. Let's see if it pulls it up here. Awfully slow, but yeah, GitHub pull requests and issues. This one's pretty handy, especially if you use GitHub, which I highly recommend you use GitHub, or at least some kind of source control. Another one that I like, or at least I've used in the past, it's called iSort. There it is. It's a Microsoft import organization support for Python files. And that is all the extensions that I recommend using. Once again, you can definitely do more or less, however you want to do it. The extensions are really just to make your life easier, and you can see there's a ton of these. People make their own extensions, and they can definitely put a lot of power into these extensions. So yeah, that does it for this video for the Windows 10 install. And of course, I can't end the video without thanking you for watching. So thank you. I do have a Discord server set up. It's to build a Python developer community. It's a resource for you and all of its members. As much as I would like you to join, totally understand if you don't want to. And also please do consider liking and subscribing, as this helps out my channel and helps out to build this community. Thanks for watching.